It sounds like that guy's a teacher talking about using AI to grade his papers. It's like, still feel responsible to like actually read their answers sometimes. That's the world we live in. It's like kids are using AI to write their papers and then teachers are using AI to grade the papers. And everyone just gets a little dumber every day. Oh, okay, this one's cool. We could do this one while we're walking. As a homeowner, as someone who has a household with a garage door, like leaving the garage door open is a constant pain point for me. And it's not like all the time, but like at least once a month, I leave my house in a hurry. I got a lot of stuff on my mind and I get around the corner and I'm like, shoot, did I close the garage door? And like my garage opens up into an alley. There's a lot of nice stuff in there. Like I don't want anyone to steal my stuff. So I always turn around, drive back down the alley, and 9 out of 10 times it's closed. But damn it, that was annoying. And sometimes I'll get home from work and the garage is open. And it's like, okay, someone else in my household left the garage open. Such a pain in the butt. So I guess another thing we ran into is like we only have a couple garage door openers. And so sometimes we're like in another vehicle on a motorcycle or just like somebody needs another garage door opener. So I was constantly thinking like, man, there has to be like some kind of smart garage door opener attachment so that I can just open it from my phone. And I thought about this for like 6 months. I just assume that it exists because anytime I come up with an idea like that, it's someone's already done it a bunch of times. And so I went on Amazon, saw like these little smart garage door attachments. There's like $25, ordered it. A few days later, it came in the mail and, open it up, read the instructions, install it. The whole installation and like connection process took like 12 minutes. And now I can open my garage door, close it from my phone. I can see when it's open and closed. I can even see a log of every time it's been open or closed. And I can get alerts when it gets opened, which is kind of funny because I see that it's opening and I can text my wife and be like, what you doing? But most of all, like, I have the peace of mind of knowing that my garage door is closed. I get an alert if it's been open for more than like 3 minutes. And it was so easy to get. And so as a businessman, I'm always like thinking like, what kind of offers can I sell? Like what kind of things would people buy? And like this one is fantastic. Like I happen to know how to install and program this kind of stuff pretty easily. So the whole thing cost me $25 and 12 minutes of my life. But if I didn't have the skills required to install this myself, I would have happily paid $200 or $300 to have this luxury of being able to do all this from my phone, see when my garage door is open and shut, and basically solve this problem of the garage door being open at random times during the day and night. So this is a fantastic offer for like any kind of handyman or like home service. You can just buy a few of these things, like $25, buy 4 of them, have them in your truck or your van. And every time you go to someone's house, like, hey, do you guys ever leave your garage door open? And whether they say yes or no doesn't matter, because then you just say like, oh, I'm asking because I installed this little attachment in my own house and it's amazing. I can see it from my phone. I can see if it's open or closed. If someone needs to get in my garage and I'm not home, I can open it and close it from my phone anywhere in the world. Like, it's amazing. And for $150, I can install one in your house right now. It only takes 30 minutes. And I would even be like, hey, I'll give you $20 off if you leave me a Google review while I'm doing it. And I guarantee like a lot of people will be like, that sounds amazing. I didn't know that even existed. Like, yeah, I'll give you $150 to install that right now. I'm even going to go as far as run Facebook ads for my new like handyman company. Like, just make a little ad telling my story, showing them the app, like, hey, does your garage door ever get left open? Like, never have this problem again. And I'll charge like $250 for it. And maybe I'll even throw in there like, hey, same day installation for $350. Like, whatever, I'll just throw it out there. Like, I personally would have paid $300 to solve this problem for myself forever. I happen to be able to solve it for myself. A lot of people out there can't. So try it out. Like, get one of these for yourself. If you have the same issues I've had, ask your customers if they'd be interested in something like this, and just be on the hunt for little offers, like something that's really easy for you to deliver that solves a big problem like this, and start with your own problems. And I guarantee other people have the same ones. Adapt or die.